408 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Gaza and in Israel. Yes. Welcome back. With the regular puzzles in today's newspaper of Monday, November the 18th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle remain, the binary puzzle. And I have not so good news. In today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these 3 regular puzzles. Well, tomorrow another day, so maybe we will have an additional with extra puzzles, but let me continue with this one, the binary puzzle number 9614. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, in a row or in a column. Okay, so let's get started. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Then double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then, let me see. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 ones comes an O, double O's, here 1, there 1. If I place the 5th O in the last row here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there, an O. This is the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in the first row. The 5th one, if I place in the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules. This can be 1, this should be no. If I place the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a no, between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one. And now here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing. Yeah. The question is, these two columns or these two rows to compare. Let me see. We have here double O. Yeah. No, cannot compare this one. Only here double O. Okay, now the double ones. We have here double ones. 1001. No. No. Cannot compare these two rows. How about these two columns? We have a double O here. Here we have a double O, double 1. No. 101. 101. 1 O. Okay. 00110. Yeah, this a last column. And this one. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1, between the 1's comes an O. Finished in 6 minutes. We solve it again with only one time comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.